Guys, je dis là, je vais prendre papay dans papay moyen. Ouais, je vais cueillir papay là, oui. Mais ça, c'est pied papay là, que je prends papay là-dedans. Pour capable faire. Légumes papay, moi, je dis, moi, mes légumes papay, les douces. Ok? So, je vais montrer nous papay moyen. Papay là, je fait prendre. Je dis, il y a un jardin pour me faire les légumes. Regardez. Mes papay là. Nice papaya. Fresh from the garden. Ouais, dans le jardin, je prends papaya ça. Yo, dans la coum, non? À gauche jardin, non? Là, je prends koupye. Beaucoup fin ramasser koupye, non? Je vais prendre plus koupye. Ok? C'est comme ça. Et puis papaya là. C'est comme ça. Nous allons faire les légumes papaya là. On va prendre koupye avec. Ok, guys. C'est là nous allons prendre koupye. Ouais. Côté me planter fleurs, gen koupye, mes pieds koupye. Si nous bagay ça dans la cou nous, pas rachel. Parce qu'ils sont bons bagay li bon pour anémie. OK? Si vous avez besoin de sang, vous ka cuit li pour manger. Même si vous pas anémie tout, vous mettez le dans les légumes. Ouais, m'a montrer nous qui j'aime bral racher li, m'pa racher racine ni. OK, m'gen plusieurs là, m'gon l'autre là, l'autre bois là. OK, n'a pas aller comme ça. Couper, casser le comme ça et puis quitter racine yo, pour racine yo a toujours ba nous l'autre koupye. OK? C'est comme ça n'a fait li. Et puis n'a mettre dans bol là ici là. OK? N'a continuer casser koupye. Et pas cueillir n'a cueillir non et pas mango. N'a casser koupye. Yo dit casser koupye. M'pa songe non en anglais. But it's a good, green leafy vegetable. If you see it in your yard, don't throw it away, cook it. Okay? Any way you cook it is good. Doesn't have to be in legume or anything. Just cook it. Saute it with oil and eat it. You see? Alright, now continue. So guys, I have another vegetable garden here. Bon, c'est ça, iti yore le kaya. Ça c'est bête rouge planté. Et graines planté. OK? Ça c'est koupye. M'a retirer tête li. Plus nous retirer tête koupye ya. C'est plus la vin grandi. OK? Enjoy the video, guys. Something you need to know. Si vous avez un backyard, vous pouvez planter. Ouais. Maintenant là, c'est dans le backyard. Moi, ma fait manger net. Ouais, j'ai un koupye là, une là. Et ça, c'est cola. On s'en fait les cola green. Ici. Il est bon pour santé, il est bon pour health, il est bon pour corps. So, on va commencer à retirer feuilles, oui, là, parce qu'il commence bon. So, planter là, look at that. Regardez ça. Very nice. It's a very expensive grain. So, why not plant it myself? Okay? Yes. And it's good for you. Color green. Alright, guys. We're done with picking up things. Now we're going to start cooking. Now it's time to peel our papaya. We have water here. We're gonna peel them and put them in the water. Okay? Si vous pas mettre gants, faut mettre dans de l'eau, l'eau fin couper pour let papaya la patache main. We're going to start peeling our papaya now. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you how I peel it. I'm gonna cut it like that. you need a real good sharp knife. Okay. All right. Fresh from the garden. So what you're gonna do, you have to take those out. The seed, I'm taking them out like that, or you can squash it like that. But when you squash it, it's spread all over the place, so I don't want that. I just do it like that. Faut retirer grain yo. Moi-même, toute précaution ma prend là. Tant que si m'te chita dehors Haïti, bah prendre toute précaution ça ou non. M'ta panique gratter, gratte et puis tout ba sorti. Ma mettre dans passoire pour me baguer mess. Retirer. Comme ça. Okay? You can do it like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it like that. I put my gloves on. Retire grain yo, mal couper comme ça. Ok, tant que ça, je peux retirer grain yo, je dois couper comme ça tout. Mais ou alors il va le faire mess, il va le faire saleté. So I don't want that. So okay, we can use something like that to peel it. But me, I'm not doing it like that. Because my way is to peel it with a knife. That's the way I used to, so I think I feel, I go faster with that. Okay? But if you don't use to that way, don't do it. You don't want to hurt yourself. Okay? Here we go. I peel my first one and put it in the water and continue to peel it. I'm going to peel all of them like that. Whatever papaya you have, 1, 2, 3. Depend how much legume you're going to do. How much of a stew you're going to make. Okay? I'm going to continue to do it. Here we go, guys. I'm done peeling and cutting my papaya. So 2 of them start to being yellow, but they're not ripe. They're hard. They start to being yellow, and I like it when my papaya stew have a little bit of sweet taste on it. So I like it like that. So we're gonna continue the process of cooking it. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, guys, we're going to marinate our meat now. Okay, and the way we're gonna make our stew, in Haiti we call that toufate. Si m'a dit pislo, m'a dit touffé ate. So we're gonna make a toufate. Okay, so marinate our meat. We have our Haitian green season. We're gonna put some. If you wanna know how I make it, my Haitian green season, check it out in my YouTube channel, Lizna Cooking. And we have some mojo. I put some mojo because it has sour orange. Sour orange make your meat taste better. And we have some complete seasoning. Ok, nous mettons épices haïtiennes noires. Nous mettons complete seasoning. Nous mettons mojo. Mojo, nous mettons parce que nous voulons viann nan gon ti gouzon ici. Baguette ici. So, nous utilisons mojo. Nous avons onion powder. Poudre d'oignon. About a tablespoon. Paprika. Okay. That's it. And we have some chicken bouillon, Maggi. Gonna put in it. Okay? And I'm gonna put my gloves on so I can massage it. Okay? Pour mariner, pour passer le sous li. Remember me, I soak my meat, real good soak in salt, vinegar. See how I clean my meat and marinate my meat in my channel. So, yeah. When we do too fatter, we're not gonna boil the meat separate. We're gonna put everything together, okay, guys? Everything together. Pa gen brodè jodi a. And manje ap soti même jan. The food gonna be the same, don't worry. So, now we're gonna, okay, we're done with our meat. Now we're going to, I wanna make sure I record it. Okay. Going to put our papay. Ma make sure met tout sak jaune yo qui pas mi yo non yo jaune parce que m'vle ba mwen gon ti goût douce parce que li capable trop si m'pa met tout ma mettre cela dans freezer. Since I like my papaya stew to have that little sweet taste, I'm gonna make sure I put all the one that yellow first. Then I will put the one that not yellow yet. So if I have leftover, I put it in my freezer. I freeze it, the leftover papaya. When I wanna make legume, I will pull them out. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna put enough, just enough, for my pan to cover whatever it can take. Because when it's boiled, it's not gonna be too much. I have to leave some room for my other thing. I think that should be enough. Okay. So now I have this. This is the koupye. We call that, let me show you. We call that koupye in Haiti. That's the thing I showed you before that I was picking up in front of my house where the flour is. This is koupye. Okay? And look what it did to my finger. It make my finger black. So if you know you're going out, don't clean koupye because it's gonna make your finger look dirty. Stand, I will say stand for a few days. Okay? So si konen wap sorti ou bezon zon bel, va pa netwaye koupye sans gant parce que la fait zon sale pour quelques jours. So this is it. I'm gonna just cut it over my papaya. And guys, you don't have to put this to make a papaya legume, papaya stew. Ou va oblige mettre koupye feuille. Si vous voulez faire papaya stew, you can just, juste papaya seulement la poke. Quand j'ai plus koupye, mais va vouloir chercher plus. Okay. Oh, I have something else I almost forgot. Gon lot bagay manke bliye, guys. Ki te mwen sel pou montre nou. Manke bliye lui. De pren nan la pou atou. Nya la, da bliye l. Kyan fè sa rel ankor. Fè sa rele. Oui. Bliye non fè la. Ok, kote koutoum nan, pou m koupil. Alright. Oh, on lot bagay m te vle fè avan. I wanna put some tomato paste, okay? boil on it. I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. Like I said, it's a tufeate. Everything, we're gonna steam everything before we put it on the stove. That's what you call tufate. Boy, I'm making mess. Okay. That's why you always have to keep your countertop clean. If you drop something, you can pick it up. Faut toujours quitter compteur la propre parce que sujet ton bagage pour capable prendre. OK? Meni. Il reste pas de tomate là. Feuille ça c'est feuille. Viann panye. Ouais. Prendre des cailles là. So, on va couper le tout pour mettre dans les légumes moyens. OK? On va couper le tout pour mettre dans les légumes. Yes. Now we're gonna put some cabbage. Now mettre un petit chou. J'ai déjà lavé le coupé, ouais. Un petit chou. OK? Ne pas obligé de mettre. It's optional. Un petit chou là-dedans. Allez là, n'a pas. Il pas rien. La descend. On va passer bon ici pour nous caouer puis bien. J'aime apprendre j'ai chaudière. On prend fouer dans coin là, fouer dans petit coin yo pour nous tout faire ensemble. OK. On va couvrir. Bon. Kounya là, dernier bagay nous va le faire, c'est mettre un petit jus coco. I'm gonna put some coconut milk and put it in. Here we go. Put some coconut milk. All right. We're gonna put a little bit of oil. Okay. Now I'm gonna just cover it and put it on the top of my stove and cook it. Boil it and cook it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Abonnez, partagez, like. Nous pral tout fait légumes. Papay nou an kounya. Let's check now what's going on. We're checking. Okay. Our papaya stew is drying. The water is drying. And our papaya is cooked. We can see that because when we push on it, it's, gazé. On va quitter le sèche et puis on a le pilel. Okay. It's going good. Alright. Let it dry a little bit more. Okay guys, looking good. Looking good. I have my beans stew going here. I'm gonna make some rice, okay? Alright. Abonnez, partagez, like. Guys, we're taking our papaya out so we can wash it, mash it. On va tirer papaya là pour piler. Okay guys. Okay. I'm gonna take it out, get that pima out so I don't mash the pima. Alright. Smells good, good. Smell good. Remember my meat is under it. Very nice. Our meat stuck in the bottom. Gonna turn off the stove, cover our meat so that brown stuff in the bottom can be soft. Okay, meanwhile we're gonna mash it, that little thing, or mash pillow. I can't find my mash pillow. I'm gonna use this. Okay guys, let's come closer to see. Come closer to see. Just gonna mash it like that. Continue to mash it. Putting back my meat. Viann moyen. Okay. Good. Racing punya. That will be it. Alright, looking good. Ok guys, c'est comme ça légumes non bon. Guys, food is ready now. We got our sauce pois here. You see? Yes. Very nice. We got our rice ready to go. White rice. Okay. And our legume here. I'm taking some food out. Okay. Here we go. Putting some legume. Got ça. Like that. And the sauce pois. Ouh. Là, on m'a voulu côté pas chaud. Okay. Nice, guys. Nice. I'm gonna taste for you guys. Okay, my people. I'm gonna try the food for you. First, I wanna try it with some white rice. First, you gotta mix your food, guys. Essayez en plusieurs façons, okay? I'm gonna try that. perfect. It's good. Tastes really good. So now I'm gonna try it with some sauce pois. On va laisser la sauce pois kounya. Mettez-le ensemble. Because with Haitian food, you have to try it together. You know? All of them together and taste the food. Enjoy the good flavor of the Haitian food. Look at that. Okay. It is very good with both of them. I mean, the rice with the legume tastes good. When you add the beans, the bean stew, it takes another level. You know, either way, it's good. If you want to know how I make my bean stew, check it out in my YouTube channel, Lizna Cooking. And I have rice too. I make rice in my channel. Check it out. Guys, that food is so good. Comfort food, very good food. I'm telling you, I love it. Easy to swallow food. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for cooking with me. And take your time to watch my video. Thank you for everyone that always come back and watch my video. The new subscriber, you're welcome and thank you. Ok, merci un pile parce que nous toujours tourner vinn garder channel moi. Nouveau abonné yo bienvenue sur channel Lizna Cooking nan, ok? N'a continuer faire manger ensemble. Pas oublier abonner si vous pouvez faire ça et puis share. Montrez l'autre amis channel là. S'il vous plaît. Pour nous grandir channel là ensemble. Le channel là dans 50,000. You're gonna stay there and say, oh, I remember I helped to put that channel to 50,000. Because I was one of the few subscribers. Okay, guys? So, supportez channel là. De quoi le channel là marcher dans 50,000, 100,000, nous capables de travail tout. Pour nous faire channel là arriver côté lié parce que là nous garder nous cher. That's mean nous faisons un travail tout. Ok, guys? Passez une bonne journée. Bye.